At Clwyd Allen, your safety is our top priority. Legionella is a type of bacteria that can grow in stagnant water, and if breathed in, it has the potential to cause a form of pneumonia, known as Legionnaire's disease. Did you know that simple routine tasks can help prevent the growth of Legionella bacteria and keep things safe? One of the most important things is to keep your water moving. So if you have water outlets that you rarely use, or if you've been away from your home for more than a week, running your taps and shower before use is really important. All you need to do is open all of your taps slowly to prevent aerosols being generated, and run the water for at least 2 minutes. If you have an outside tap, don't forget this too. With showers, it's best to remove the head and flush through the hose. Toilets should be flushed a couple of times with the lids closed, as toilets can generate aerosols too. Another important task is to clean your shower head and hose regularly, every 2 to 3 months. To do this, submerge the head and hose in a bucket of household disinfectant solution for 30 minutes. Once soaked, refit the washers to the hose and put everything back together. Finally, give everything a final flush through. And that's it, it's as simple as that. These small steps make a huge difference, so please consider these simple tasks to keep yourself safe. Stay safe, stay protected.